Hi, my name is Juliana and welcome back to another basic cutting tutorial by Signature Market, sponsored by Fackelmann. Today, we'll be cutting red onion using the universal knife by Fackelmann. First, you'll have to remove the top and the bottom of the onion together with the first layer of skin. Next, we'll cut the onion into half. So first, we will be cutting the onion into slices. So what we do is, we cut from the top part of the onion down to the bottom. So the next cut I will introduce is dice. So what we do is, the bud is here, we cut it horizontally from the bottom to the top. Next, you go horizontally this way. Next, you cut vertically. Next, I will be showing you another cut. It's also a slice. So the top of the onion would be facing you and then the bud facing away. So what we do is slice it. This kind of slices is good for stir fry. It also reveals very nice shape of the onion. Next, we will be cutting onion rings. So what we do is place your wrist on the chopping board. Using your fingers, grip the onion firmly, push the knife into the onion and slowly slice. So after cutting, to get your onion rings, all you have to do is push the part out and then you just push out the pieces like this. So here we have 4 cuts for onion. It's pretty simple. Just remember, be patient and practice more. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next.